Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD tips and tricks. Number 6, how to management with Anchor. So as usual, I will open the properties dialog box. You can tap properties, press enter, and you can click hold, move to the left. It will be undockings in your workspace. Another option, you also can use the anchors to dockings with hide and show. You can move again into here, right click in this properties tab, and then you can choose anchor left. So to be moved into the left for the text dockings, you can sort the cursor to be show for the properties. Okay, another like I will create for xref. You can press enter, and then you can right click in this dialog box and then choose anchor left. So we have two options in your left bar. You also can change this option into icons. You can right click, choose the icon only, so we show only the icon, or you can right click again, choose text only. I will set again another like palette. Okay, tool palette, and you can right click, anchor left. It will be add against more tools in your left bar. Okay, that's it for a basic AutoCAD tips and tricks. Number 6, how to management with Anchor. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.